This is your sign to not buy the Sony.
This matters is insane. Why you still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to my new gadgets. I'm talking better audio, better filming,
better ingredients, better pizza, better money, my clothes better, my shoes better, I work harder.
I got the famous baddie. I'm talking Sony ZV1. I feel like Sony ZV1 is the iPhone of cameras. Guys like Canon and girls kind of like Sony more. I don't know. I've just seen more girls with Sony and I really like it. I like the aesthetic. I like everything about it. So now I'm currently using it to film. So what you're seeing now is what the Sony is giving. I'll show you the camera features with my A10. When the camera starts giving ghetto vibes, just know it's the A10 I'm using to film. But first of all, let's talk about the Sony Grip. Yeah, I'm talking about the Sony the Sony GPV-PT2B2. So this is how the grip looks like up close. It feels really sturdy. You open it up like this and it becomes a tripod, and if you want to take out the battery, you pull this to the left and then you pull this to the left and then you pull this downward and it comes off. And then there's a battery in it, so you don't need to charge it, but you need to change the battery when it dies and replace it with another one. And one of the reasons I got this is because of how flexible it is. Like, it basically serves as a remote control, especially for those who don't really know how to use a camera like me. You can take photos with this button. You can take videos with this button. You can defocus with this, so in case you're vlogging and you want your background to be in view, to not be blurred, you can defocus with this, and you can lock your settings with this. If you hold this part, you can rotate your camera anyhow you want, any position you want, and then when you're done rotating to the position you want it to be, you just leave it and it locks in, so it doesn't move until you want it to be returned back. You can also hold this place and rotate it downward and upward, basically to any direction you want it to be, and when you leave it, it stays there without moving. This button is for zooming out and zooming in. So now, in order to connect the grip to the camera, we have to go to menu. You go to settings. This is the settings here, this icon here. So you go up to the left, scroll down to the left, so you go to network 2, and then you go to Bluetooth settings, you turn it on. So now we click, you hold on to the photo and the T-zone, this and this, for the next 7 seconds until it connects. Yep. So you click on OK. It's connected. The next step is to scroll down to Bluetooth remote control and turn it on. So now it's on. So we go to movie. Let's see if it works. Now let's zoom out. See, it's zooming out. Zoom in. Zoom out. And since I can use it as a remote, when you subscribe, I'll just be like, hey, come to me, baby. Hey, come to me, baby. But if you don't subscribe and if you don't like, I'll just be like, not to say bye bye you, to the love of my life. The only downside to this is that it does not extend out, so the length is too short. That's the only thing I don't like about it. And honestly, I got this grip just because I have suffered enough. I am tired of managing. I just wanted to be bougie. I just wanted to splurge, okay? So I'm not really going to recommend you buying it because it's super expensive for what it is doing. You can get something better for a cheaper price. However, it's doing what they said it would do. Plus, I got it from a fellow content creator. I did not pay the price on Amazon because that price is ridiculous. Or you can also get it on discount, but just basically don't pay the full price. Now let's get to the star of the show, my baby boo. Where are you? The Sony ZV1. Just take a look at this. This is just beautiful. Like, from the first time I saw it on Adiola Patron's vlog, I've been like, yes, I must get this. This is my baby. This is my... Just take a look at how beautiful it is. Like, it's the most beautiful thing ever. It's just so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it. So this is how the camera looks like. Very compact and really beautiful. I really love this camera. Now you can just open it up like this, and the lens comes out, so you don't need any extra lens. And this is the menu button, and in the menu button you can fix soft skin, you can fix white balance, like a lot of things. This is the function button where you can directly do whatever you want to do, like fix the white balance, the aperture, the focus, and things like that basically. And this is where you play back your videos if you have any videos, and this is where you delete them if you don't like them. And with this display you can navigate anything, like take it up, if you go to menu you can move things like this, left, right, up, down. That's what this is for. And this is for enter. And this screen can be rotated. It's the turn on and turn off button. So if you turn it off, the lens goes in. If you turn it on, the lens goes out. This is the mode. So if you want to take pictures, this is where you start your selection from. So now you go to, so this is intelligent auto for movies, and this is intelligent autos for photos. So if you want to take photos, you just pick intelligent autos for photos and you lock it in, and it will take your pictures. And this is for videos. So if you want to make videos, you just click here and it goes directly to videos. And this is to defocus if you no longer want to have like the bouquet background. This is your microphone. You have to make sure nothing except this thing is on it. This is the wind cover in case it's windy outside, because it's a vlogging camera. You need to, you know, have this windshield on. So you plug it like this and it's done. It also comes with a USB-C charger, which you would plug right here to charge it, and an HDMI port. And this hole is to fix your grip, and this is where you put your battery. And this is where you put your memory card. This is the adapter, and this is the memory card, 128 gig. You fix it in. This is the angle you put it in, and then make sure you lock it like this, and it's locked. I also got extra batteries. I already used up this one. This is the original battery that comes with the camera. This battery dies really quick. Like, this is your sign to not buy the Sony without buying extra batteries, because you're going to be frustrated. Oh my god, I feel like this is the downside to this camera. The battery does not last. And I would also advise you to get adapters, because now every time all three of the batteries are low, I have to be charging them one by one in the camera. But if you get an adapter, you can just charge all three of them at once. So these are the two extra batteries I got, and the original battery that comes with the Sony is currently in the camera. Another update is that I'm no longer using my phone to edit, although I'll still be making videos about how to use your phone to edit. But it's so frustrating to use the phone because it's so small, and yeah. Anyways, I don't like using my laptop either, because laptop signifies work, and work is ghetto. Okay, work is ghetto. period. I'm just a girl. Anyways, I'm now using I'm now using this Lenovo tablet that has been in this house for a long time and doesn't actually belong to me, but I'm going to use it now because I tried editing here and it is sweet. Okay, it's really sweet to use. Try using tablets, because tablets signifies fun. Like, people usually use tablets to doodle or to play games or to watch something on YouTube or Netflix. So it does, when you think of tablets, you don't really think work, you think fun. At least that's what it is to me. So it makes editing feel less strenuous. And if you're a beginner watching this and you currently have a good phone that you're using to film, honestly, I would advise you to just keep using it until you pro enough to be able to afford buying the camera from the money you make on YouTube, because it's sweeter that way, you know. It has its own pizzazz, if you know what I mean. The only reason I got a camera is because the phone I'm using is kind of outdated, and usually I like to upgrade my phone due to the camera. But now that I have a good camera, I don't really feel the pressure to upgrade to a Samsung S23, for example, because S23 is so expensive. Like, with that money I can get a good camera and a good phone. Use what you have until you can actually afford what you want. My most viewed video now on YouTube, I did not use a ring light or an LED light or any light at all. I only use natural light for my window. I use just my phone, no microphone, no nothing, because people are not deaf at the end of the day. They can hear you. The most important thing is to give value. If you give value, people will want to watch anyways. Oh my god, I forgot to fix the microphone. Oh, anyways, whatever. So now I got all this, the camera, the battery, and the grip, from a content creator, like I said before, and I want you guys to guess how much I got all of this. Like, she barely used it, she only used it twice, so it came new. Like, you would think I got it from Amazon. Basically, I want you guys to guess how much I got all three of them: the camera, the grip, and the batteries, in the comment section. The winner would get I'll think about it. And if you're a beginner content creator and you need tutorials on how to edit and start off your content creation journey, I have a playlist for that. So if you're interested, click here. And I also have a new channel where I post videos about the Netherlands. Like, I basically go on the streets of the Netherlands to ask Dutch people and other internationals questions that you guys want answers to. So if you're interested in that, go subscribe to that channel now. That is where I'm going to be using this camera the most. I'm going to be using it outside, so you're going to see how it actually looks like vlogging outside.